Hello everyone, today I'm gonna showcase to you my latest MOC. This is another house MOC, or I shouldn't say another because I've never made one before. I hope you will enjoy the video and let's begin. So, as I said, this is my latest modular, no, it's not a modular actually. It's a, I guess you could say modular compatible, but it's not meant to be. But a house MOC, vacation home or something. And I noticed I just broke the screen. Wow. Okay. I've used various different techniques here. Just gonna spin it around so you can see a little bit more detailed. And yeah, I'm very proud of this MOC actually. I've never made a MOC like this before, and this one turned out very good actually. So here I used a stone pillar because it adds a lot of detail to have these little change material forms and pillars everywhere, or on some places. Here is some gravel because I thought it looked pretty good to have gravel here. Flowers and stuff to add a little bit more detail, and some more growth here. Some growth on the walls, like plant stuff, because it looked pretty bland without them. So yeah. You probably wonder why I put this here too. It's because of some reason I couldn't find any more of these pieces, the 1x2 just pieces. So I had to use these ones with studs on them. So why not use them and put something here? That looked kind of good. We also have, if we turn around, we have a little bit more growth detail here. And why is this always breaking? That's pretty annoying. And some wood details here because I thought it looked, yeah, as I said, pretty undecorated without them. Use some different windows and stuff here because using the same ones kinda didn't look so good. Some more plants, and this side is very identical to the other one, but yeah, a little other windows and no doors. So yeah, this stone column again. Some flowers and a balcony, or yeah, outside area. And some more growth here. This thing up here is an air conditioner because it looked pretty like not decorated if I didn't use one of these. And I also put a grill here. I can take this apart and show you how to build it if you want. Very easy to build. You can probably see here how I made it. And I'm very proud of it actually. You just put that there and add a little hot dog or whatever you want to put there. The camera is kind of tilting a little bit, but it's because I have a very bad floor in here. So yeah. Another door here to get out and in. And that's pretty much the outside. If you want, you can take the roof off and look inside. Very simple roof technique here. Just made it possible to put it here. And I think it looked pretty good like that. The exact same technique here. So yeah, let's look inside. So it's pretty hard actually to look inside, but I hope you can see a little bit. I'm gonna actually move the camera instead of the whole house. So yeah, here we have some different furniture and stuff. I used the snot floor technique here, as you can see on the floor. We have a sofa that was inspired by VelloBricks. He makes awesome MOCs. You should go check him out if you don't already know him or know his YouTube channel. A TV here, also inspired by his MOCs. And yeah, also the kitchen is in here. I used another painting to inspired by VelloBricks also. I like him a lot. He makes awesome MOCs. I can take this apart and you will see this kitchen furniture. Very simple actually. And there didn't fit in so much kitchen stuff in here, so I had to use a limited amount of them. Here, up here we have the bed. I can actually take this floor apart. Just lays there. Another snot technique on the thing here. Yeah, very simple. Under the bed there, it's pretty hard to see, but in there is a bathroom, a toilet, and some shelves and stuff in there. Very hard to see, but yeah. Also the sink and stuff just in there. Also pretty hard to see, but yeah. Used a snot technique on the floor in there too. Oh, that actually was pretty good. Yeah, very simple toilet. And yeah, that's basically how it looks inside of the house. You can very simply put on the roofs again, like this. Very simple. And yeah, as I said, I'm very proud of this MOC. I hope you like it too. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and peace out.